model, 2021 Citroen Relay L3H2 Enterprise 2.2 HDI engine knocking 83 km Euro 6 Vat Inclusive. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 83,944. MOT, the 20th of February 2026. Engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. So the engine, money repairing or replacing still starts, but just knocking. VAT is included in the final price. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it.